Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop your picture on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button and select a picture from your gallery. Now you can edit the size of your picture and you can crop this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.